Give me the night. 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 What a difference how true love made in my life. So nice and so right. Lovers come and then lovers go. That's what the people say. Don't they know?
Two back-to-back from Mr. Georgie Benson, 1980, Give Me the Night, and Love Ballad, right here on your favourite FM and online stations. Great to have your company. We're supposed to squeeze in as much Northern Soul as we can before we're going to hit the soul dance floor just a little bit early. El Jarreau on the way next, one of my favourites, Mel, and then one from Heatwave.
You're listening to Lee Vincent playing classic funk and soul.
That'll be Heatwave and Posing Till Closing. Probably best known for tracks like Boogie Nights. What else did they do? So much great stuff those guys did. Absolutely fantastic. We'll be playing more of them on the Soul Show. On the way next, we're going to go to the UK for one of my favourite ladies. A lady you don't hear much about now, but she had some great stuff in the 80s. Princess, and this one.